Hey, welcome back everybody. You're listening to Ultimate Affiliate Marketing. I am your host. As always, it's Paul Motley here. And yes, it's Saturday. I know it's the weekend, but if you are lucky enough to listen to this episode, then I am hopefully going to really pique your interest. There's a few things that I do and others do which isn't widely known, okay? And these are the sort of like the secrets that I do tend to put out into my podcast. So if it is the first time listening, I do these daily. Make sure you subscribe, drop a comment, a review, or 5 stars on the ratings and all that good stuff, because that helps us get the podcast into other people's ears, right? So they can process it too. I'm in the business of helping people, and with your help, I can help more people. And that's kind of my little plug there. And as I said, this is episode 120, crazy. So let's get into the meat. Now, if you are trying to build an affiliate marketing business, we all know the lifeblood of that business is your email list. Okay, so we're going to talk about a cool little tactic to help you build that email list. Now, if you've ever used Facebook ads before or even contemplated using Facebook ads, then this should be particularly cool for you, right? I'm not sure how much detail I'm going to go into here because I might be able to touch on this again in a few days' time, give you some results and all that good stuff. But I'm just going to run through things, right? Now, traditionally, when people are using Facebook ads, there is an objective that you have to go for. And this might be video views. It might be traffic, which basically means clicks to your website. It might be add to cart if you're selling a product or a purchase or something like this. There is another one which a lot of people completely miss out. Seriously, they completely miss out because A, they either don't understand it, or B, they think that it's not worth their time. And I'm talking about Facebook lead ads, right? And I'm just going to talk to you about this real quick, okay, right? So you can actually put an ad on a Facebook where the person that clicks it doesn't actually have to fill in a form with their name and their email address. So do you think the conversion rates are higher or lower than sending them to a bridge page where you have to manually do it? I'm going to say higher straight away, right? This is going to blow your mind, right? Now, people that use this tactic, I was literally reading a case study earlier today that this guy was getting leads for 6 cents. Right now, that's practically unheard of because a lot of times with Facebook ads, you could be paying between $1 and $2 per click. And then if you're really good, you're going to get a 40% opt-in rate, which means your cost per lead, I'm not going to do the maths real quick, but you could be talking about anything between $4 and $5 per lead, right? Let's say it's 6. On the bad side, we're looking bad side, right? Let's say it's $6 per lead. Now you imagine being able to be 100 times more efficient and getting 6 cents leads. So not $6 leads, not 60 cents leads, but 6 cents leads. Now, I don't know about you, but I would rather take 100 leads over 1 lead any day of the week, right? It's just simple basic maths. I would rather spend money on something which gives me leads way cheaper. That's a given, right? And, you can imagine, your return on investment is going to massively increase. The amount you're spending is going to decrease. It's just going to make things all good and cozy all round. But there is a problem. When people actually go ahead and opt into these lead ads, their details are put in a hidden folder away in Facebook, right? And it can be quite tough to find it. There's YouTube ads which will tell you how to get it. And if you want them to go onto your email list, you have to do them individually. Now, how nuts is that? Your email service provider will not thank you, right? Your email autoresponder or whatever company you use will not thank you, and it is a pain in the backside, because we know that if you're sending an email out to someone that opts in, you need to do it within the first hour, or they'll completely forget who you are. Time is everything. We talked about time yesterday, but time is everything. So how can you get these leads out of Facebook without having to sit at your computer every hour and wait for them to come in and download them again, reformat them so that they go into your email autoresponder? Pain in the bum. Well, there's two options. One, you can use integrations company called Zapier, which is free, but some of it was premium, so you do have to pay, right? Some of the integrations are premium. Another one that I use is from a company called Connect Explore, right? Wilco de Cry was on my podcast a few weeks ago, so go back and search for that one, because he's going to tell you all about Connect.io and Connect Explore and Upvira and all this cool stuff, right? So this just makes sense, because Wilco's software will actually automatically pump people or the leads from Facebook into your email autoresponder. That's cool, right? So if you think about it, right? Now his Connect.io suite, right? It's not just one thing. It's not just about the leads. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there which is all designed to get you a better return on investment. So if we think about this for a second, let's say we get 200 clicks. Now, traditionally, 200 clicks is going to cost you anything between $200 and $400. Given the fact that, it can be $1 or $2 for each click when you're using Facebook ads, right? So let's say it's 2, right? Let's say we're in a competitive niche and it's $2 a go. Right. Now you spent $400, but you've got however many leads. Okay, right, so let's think about this. 60 or 70 leads based on your opt-in rate. Now, wouldn't it be cool if you used his software, which cost $97 a month, but you're only paying 6 cents for those leads? So to get 100 leads, you're actually only spending, let's think about this, $6. Yeah, $6. That's crazy, right? I hope I did the math right. If I'm not, and it's 60, then, it's still freaking awesome. Now, add the $97 a month on, and instead of spending $400, you're spending less than, even if it was 60, less than $150 to get a better result. Now, doesn't that make more sense, right? There's super sense, right? It is absolutely freaking awesome. But I just want to go into a couple of details with that and just let you know that these are ways of maximizing your return, because we talked about email lists and how you indoctrinate people, how you send them offers and all that good stuff. And I will go into lead ads a bit more, probably in the next couple of days. But I just wanted to point out and sort of like pre-frame it, if you like, and tell you the possibilities here, because it really can make a huge difference to your income, right? When you start doing these sort of things and you learn this sort of stuff, which again, nobody really tells you, okay, right? Because they're happy sitting at the top of their tree earning, $150,000 a month easy on, affiliate commissions and loving life and selling you massive amounts of, in courses and all that sort of stuff to teach you this stuff. I'm just letting you have it for free. Simples. So anyway, go and check out the software, the Connect.io stuff, because there's a whole bunch of stuff in there. And I love what Wilco does. He is, he spent millions, literally millions on Facebook ads. And he's got case study after case study using all the software suites that he's got in there. It's just incredible. I'm going to include a link in the show notes. It is an affiliate link, but you are not paying any more. You are just getting a free, as far as I know, you're getting, it's a free training that you can go and take a look at. And if you want to get it, great, brilliant. You'll thank me later. Seriously, you will thank me later for opening your eyes to the possibilities here. And I can't even begin to go through everything that he's got on there. because the guy's a genius. And I don't mind saying it. So anyway, right, so that's going to conclude it tonight. I just wanted to kind of pre-frame it a little bit and show you exactly what's possible. And in other podcast episodes coming up, I'm going to show you how you can not only build your email list using lead ads, but also how you can build your messenger bot list using lead ads, and how you can grow lookalike audiences using lead ads, so you can maximize this damn process. Okay, right? Make you more money. That's the whole idea. So anyway, I'm going to sign off now because, like I say, it's getting late Saturday night, and I look forward to speaking to you all tomorrow.